This is about fixing the upper keyboard on the Roland AT90R, and it follows from the previous video entitled Roland AT90R Keyboard Repair. Now the first things you need to check are where the wires go, and that's an earth wire here needs to be removed. Then you need to note where these cables go. So you've got that cable going along there, down there, and it's held with like wire ties, and then it's attached with a posi drive screw there, and then if you go along there's another cable attached which goes from up here down there. It's attached there, and it's good to have a marker pen and just mark where which hole the screw goes in. Also you need to look at where that belt cable goes, and that has to be removed at the bottom, and it's a good idea to mark it with a marker pen so that in case it's important which way it goes. So once those three things have been removed, then you look at which screws to undo. So then you've got two screws here which are the same type, and then you've got screws in this position. Is that one there, and then you've got another one here and a third one there, and then there's a hidden screw on this left hand screw. There's a hidden screw which is hidden behind here, and it's the same size as the other screws. You'll need a pair of tweezers or a strongly magnetic screwdriver to hold it. Then you have to undo this screw here. Is it there? That one there, which is a little bit shorter than the other screws. And then once you've got those things undone, then you can pull the keyboard out to fix it, and look at the earlier video on how to do the rest of this repair. Bye.